Hey everybody, how are you guys? And welcome back to the channel. So today, guys, I am stringing a 6 millimeter Larimer, Larime, Larimer beaded spiritual necklace. Now these beads carry the energy of a mother's energy, a loving mother's energy. And these beads are perfect for a expectant mother. These beads are also perfect for in the delivery room. As before, I have a video up on this channel telling you about the Larimer beads and how I was instructed to get a stone for a one of my friends who's about to deliver a child. These beads are comforting. That's the energy that it's carrying. And it's a blue bead, baby blue bead, and it's also excellent for menopausal activities in your body. It helps calms down those heated energies. So I'm standing, look, I don't have anywhere to work. So I am standing at my countertop putting this necklace together. I hope you can, actually you guys can't see, can you? Let's see how I could get you to see. And this is, okay, we're going to do it that way. So I might pick up some other stuff in the background. But this is what I'm doing right now. Is stringing a necklace. And I'm using Beading. Oh, which one do I normally use? I forgot the gauge. It's been so long since I actually beaded anything. 19. This might be the 19 strand. And I'll be using 2 of these easy crimps because I need this to be done, and I'm going to use a lobster clasp. This is one of the smaller ones, and I'm also going to be using 2 6 millimeter silver tone jump rings. Now this is, like I said, this is for me, for my neckline. So I'm using this to so far this is what I got. I know I got a lot of bead along wire there, and I embraced it with 2 faceted, just regular beads and a couple of seed beads. But I tell you, I need this is what I need right here. I got a bead stopper right here because I don't want my beads to bead stopper. Those can be purchased at Hobby Lobby or Joann's or Michael's. But I got these out of Hobby Lobby. So this is going to be like a 16-inch, right? Maybe around choker style. But like I said, I've been gone for a minute, and this is like an impromptu video. Now that's what's taking place. So how you guys doing? I hope you are getting along fairly well and getting ready for this, supposedly the snow to come and blanket, what, 10 states? I know Texas is included. Texas, Idaho, Nebraska. It's like 10 states. New York is supposed to be hit also, y'all, with some type of blizzard that's supposed to be coming. Well, already I could feel the change in our weather already because I went out and it has gotten cooler. Because actually I have not, I have not ran the heat. I have not ran the air conditioning or any of that. It's just been like a moderate temperature that I've, been under right here. But thanks for coming back. I wish I had strung this here a little bit more, and then I could have just finished it off and finished everything, because this video might be a little long. But like you say, most people click through people's videos anyway. As long as you view it and click through it, I'm good. As long as you get me a view. And like and share and subscribe, I'm all right. I'm back and I'm trying to build this channel. Like I said, this one is for me. But what I am going to do is just be coming back and making lots of bracelets. I think I'm going to stay safe with the bracelets. I might throw in a pair of earrings every now and then. I'm not sure. Bracelets are fun to make, and I have some beautiful ideas. And the bracelets that I'll be making will be for my the booth area at the market. So I'll come back and I'll share that once I make a few bracelets. Yeah. So I just figured go ahead and, go on back to the market and let it do and make it do what it do at the market. So I hope you can still hear me, guys. I'm using headphones and sometimes they just go out on me. I'm like, gosh, if you invest in these products, you expect these products to run longer than 15 minutes, right? So basically what I'm doing is just threading in these holes. This 19 wire, do you want to say gauge? But anyway, we're 7 minutes into this. Yeah, I wish I had a threaded before. I don't know what I'd be thinking of. So I'm just going to thread a little bit and talk a little bit. But yeah, guys, stay warm. I'm going to use all of these beads. Now, what I do is I definitely do try to use all of my beads. Like if I buy this set, I'm going to use them all because I do not want to store beads anymore. I got enough beads in storage, to be honest with you. And I want to use them up, make the designs, even if I have to put them in a package. I'll show you what I'm going to be doing with that too until, sell this product. I'm just going to get it in a package and get it from staying around, in my crafting room until time to pull it out and make some sales with it. Okay, I got to add about 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. I count my beads. Do you guys count your beads? I should have added some type of other beads in here because this here is not going to be the way it looks. I need to do 4 more. This is not going to be a 16-inch necklace, so I'm going to have to find a few more beads to add to it. But these are my good lapis lazuli, and that's what this is, a sterling silver, so I'm going to be using that for that. So I might have to figure out and find some more 6mm beads. So what I do is I'll check with the Larimer stone and see what bead that will go with the where the energies will blend together. See what, carry a beautiful energy and put it together that way. Finish it off. Like I said, it's just for me. So we're going to put one more over here. I'm just, letting it rip, guys. Over here doing my own thing, my own way. But I do need to make me a place in my craft room so I could sit down because I'm laid, my back is, I'm kind of, leaning back towards my back, lower back area. And I'm having just a tad bit of discomfort, but not a whole lot. Not a lot. So let's see. I've been through so much. That's why I have not been doing these videos. After that hurricane came, I kind of fell back a little bit. I don't know. Like I said, I'm just like, oh man, what's the point? I got to the fact like, why make these videos? Like, do people really actually appreciate my videos that I do? Until the other night, I read a comment and one of the ladies said, I like your videos. She said, thank you for doing the videos. And that made me feel really good. Thank you, Miss Faith. That really did. It made me feel so, so good that somebody actually appreciated it. Because sometimes you could be on here just doing these videos and you don't feel the love. You don't feel the appreciation. And you get discouraged sometimes. Okay, so this is what I got so far. So my beads are evenly mashed. We're going to put it on the mannequin. So this is what it's looking like so far. It's just a basic beaded necklace. Now this is probably going to be a little crooked because when I put this on, I didn't put it on clearly. The stone, but I have to measure this. And I lost my tape measure also. So I kind of wanted it to be a choker. Let's see. I needed it to come up like this. What y'all think of that? Yeah, I'm going to turn this into a choker. And this one is going to be like a, right underneath it, it's going to be like a 16. So this is probably going to be like a 14 and a half or 15. And that next one is going to be like a 16 choker style. So thank you. So I'll come back and show you how I finish it off after I measure it, okay? All right, peace, guys. Catch you in the next one.